Today we're talking about the world's deadliest bird, the bird that can jump 7 feet straight up in the air, the bird who can rip through human flesh with its talons up to 5 inches deep, the bird that has killed more people than any other bird in the world. We're talking about the one, the only, cassowary. Now this beautiful bird right here is very deadly. As I said, they can jump 7 feet straight up in the air. They can rip through you into 5 inches deep with those razor sharp talons. Their lifespan is from 50 to 60 years, and their weight from about 90 to 130 pounds. If you want to talk about height, these things have some height on them because they are from 60 to 80 inches tall, and they're flightless, just like your ostriches and emus. Now, some of the interesting things about this is that the male will actually raise the chicks. So what happens is during mating season, the females will mate with several males. And then when they are ready to lay their eggs that are fertilized, one of those males will follow her back to the nest. She will lay her eggs. The males will then the male right there will go sit on it, and the female will leave, go do her thing. Her job is done. She laid the eggs. Now, that male will sit on those eggs for 50 to 55 days, depending when they're going to hatch. And then daddy bird there will take care of all of those chicks for up to 18 months. He will watch out for them for up to 18 months. He will make sure they know how to survive for up to 18 months. Then at 18 months, those little chicks, they fly the coop, walk away from the coop because they are flightless birds, and daddy bird is back doing his thing. Bachelor bird once again, no more being tied down to those chicks. So the dads do all of the raising. Now these birds, as far as number wise, there's a lot. They don't really keep track. They live in New Guinea, Indonesia, and Australia. Take one last look at the world's deadliest bird.